Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for my weekly clean with me. It almost did not happen this week because if you can't tell, I'm losing my voice. So bear with me. I probably will not do much talking during this video. I'm going to do some tidying up in the kitchen, some laundry, and then I'm also going to tackle the microwave in this video. And honestly, it's quite embarrassing. It is really disgusting. I had to scrub it. It took me quite some time. But that'll be at the end of the video. So if that's what you came here for and you just want to see the microwave, skip forward. Otherwise, you can watch me tidy up the kitchen and do some laundry before we get started on the microwave. This is one of those things that I feel like you don't think to clean or you don't clean often, or I don't anyways. But like right around the faucet nozzle is just, it's grimy. been waiting for. Here is the disturbing microwave. As you can tell, it's mostly the top because people don't cover things and then it splatters. Why wipe it up right away? Let it dry and then scrape it off. So to clean the microwave, I mainly use soap and warm water with like a little sponge. Yeah. So here we go. You guys, this took some serious scrubbing. Like, it probably took me a solid hour to clean the microwave. It's so satisfying to look at the microwave so clean. And honestly, it makes me happy every time I open the door and put something inside of it. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos Thursdays at 11 a.m. So I'll see you next week. Bye.